Welcome back to my channel. We are flying over Lucid Motors, and I shot this yesterday, which is on the 18th of February. And it doesn't look like there's much change. It's been 3 weeks since I've been here. And you're looking at, I think that's where they send cars off. And it's nice to see the white cars because it kind of, for those who want to count, there's a couple stills at the end. Every Lucid I've seen is very, very high quality. Great paint jobs, no panel gaps that I could ever see. And the people that I have talked to at the charging stations seem to very much enjoy their Lucids. Now, as I went around the side, drove along the side, because the security people still come out and check on me and make sure that I'm not flying over their area, which I wasn't. There were no Gravities. And Gravities is going to be the new 7-passenger, 3-row SUV coming out. And I've heard a couple things about it. One from Peter Rawlinson saying that it's going to have 3.6 miles per kilowatt hour. But another interview with the guy that designed it says it's going to be 4.6 miles per kilowatt hour, which is a drag coefficient of 0.23. Now, on ID4, I have got 4.6 miles driving an I-10, but I was drafting a semi at 65 miles an hour. We were going about 100 miles that day, so we went to IKEA, and I drafted a vehicle there and back, and I actually averaged 4.6 miles per kilowatt hour in an ID4, which is quite phenomenal. So it's possible. Now, somebody asked me to fly over the north end of the facility and look what's going on there, and that's what I've done. If it gets the Gravity gets 3.6 miles per kilowatt hour, that would require 122 kilowatt hours of usable battery. But if it gets 4.6 miles per kilowatt hour, it only requires about a 95 kilowatt hour usable battery. So we will see as we get more information about the Gravity, which is going to be the turning factor, I think, for Lucid, because I'm sure it's going to start under $80,000, probably $79,900 starting, so they can get that tax credit. And I noticed that they have a lot of their Airs on sale for $79,000 now, a variety of them. They're a very nice car, and they're becoming more affordable for everybody that is interested in getting a luxury car, because they are a luxury car, and I'm sure the Gravity will be no different. Great interiors, and the pictures that I've seen, or the videos I've seen of the Gravity, the interior looks phenomenal, and the screens look phenomenal. And I'm sure it'll have good driver assist also. And the nice thing about the Lucids, they're incredibly efficient. And that's what I look for in a car, efficiency. I used to have a deposit on a Cybertruck, but they're so inefficient, I can't tolerate an inefficient vehicle. So that's why I draft the semis whenever I can. I try to get the most miles per kilowatt hour as possible. So anyway, thank you for looking into this video of Lucid, shot yesterday. It doesn't seem much changes from 3 weeks ago, but I'm sure there are. And I've grabbed a couple stills for those people that that can count the cars. Pause the videos, count the cars. But anyway, appreciate you watching. Enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll talk to you later.